Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make these black tourmaline and snake earrings. These are a kit that we have available online and they're super easy, and the only thing that you'll need are some round nose pliers and some nippers. So we're going to start by attaching the hoop and the snake to the black tourmaline. So we're going to use our wire for that. So we're going to start out maybe an inch down, I don't know, that far down. And you're going to bend it away from you to create a 90-degree angle. And then you're going to take your needle nose pliers and put them in at the top, and you're going to wrap it around to where you have a little loop. And then I'm going to open that loop up a little bit, and I'm going to attach my hoop, and then I'm going to attach the snake. Then I'm going to take my pliers and put them going across the loop, and then I'm going to coil the wire back up till it goes around about 3 or 4 times, and then I'm going to take my nippers and cut the wire. Then I'm going to add on the tourmaline, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. I'm going to put the pliers right up against the bead. I'm going to make a 90-degree angle with the wire. Take my pliers, come back in here and make a loop around. And at this point, I'm going to want to add on the diamond shape. So I'm going to attach it, hold my loop, and this time I'm going to coil it back around until it looks nice and flush with the bead. Then I'm going to take my nippers and cut it. And then I'm going to take the ear wire and I'm going to bend that to the side, attach the diamond, and close it back up. And then you'll just want to do the same thing for the other side to make the other pair. Thanks so much and happy beading.